tracks where the wheels spin. The steam huff and puff, it begins. Whistles blow in the morning light, bringing stories through the night. Steam huff and puff, hear the call, through the valleys, over hills so tall. With a chug and a cheer, it carries dreams on the railway of hopes and steams. From the station, through the fields of gold, legends and tales from times of old. Passengers aboard with hearts so wide, on the steam huff and puff we ride. Smoke in the air, a tale to weave, we travel where the heart believes. Engine song, a rhythmic tune, riding under the silvery moon. Steam huff and puff, hear the call, through the valleys, over hills so tall. With a chug and a cheer, it carries dreams on the railway of hopes and steams. With every station left behind, new horizons, new dreams we find. As the journey unfolds, with every blow, on the tracks of life we go. Chugging down the endless tracks, through valleys and over hills. In the distance, a whistle cracks, a symphony of wheels and thrills. Steam huff and puff, go the railway dreams, racing through the night under starlit beams. The engine roars with timeless glory, on this iron road we write our story. Smoke rises like a dragon's breath as we glide by fields of gold. In the heart of the iron beast lies a tale that longs to be told. Steam huff and puff, go the railway dreams, racing through the night under starlit beams. The engine roars with timeless glory, on this iron road we write our story. From city shadows to mountain tops,